If at all you've been watching my channel for whatever amount of time, then you know that I've been waiting for this box for the last 8 years. In today's video, we'll unbox this particular package. So I'm sure you guys are as excited as I am to, open this box and see what is in here. This is our first proper collaboration on Wardrobe Chronicles, and we have collaborated with Edge Clothing. I'll put up their logo over here and the link in the description box below. They sent me a box of clothes and accessories in case you see anything that you love in this package. Be sure to order it from them. So that said, let's jump into it. Let's not waste time. We've been waiting for this for quite a while. So we'll start with the shorts they sent me. So they sent me some swimming shorts. There's one in neon, there's one in pinkish, there's one in blue, there's one in black as well. I really like these. They feel very sturdy and they look really well done. I also like that you can wear them even like outside of the swimming pool, if at all that makes sense. Quality wise, I can say so far so good. I really like that they also have drawstrings. So in case you need to, tighten it when you go swimming, then you're good to go. They've sent me some black khaki trousers. These look very high quality. And I like that they're more formal. You can see based on like the finishing. Let me show you guys. So it's something you can dress up. I really like that about these specific pair of trousers. I'm so excited. I can't even get my grammar together. There's more trousers. There's two more trousers. So there's this one that looks jungle green, same design, same everything. So there's another one. There's a navy one. So this as well. So there's navy, there's black, and then there's jungle green. Apart from that, they also sent me formal shorts, formal-ish khaki shorts. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can tell that these are short shorts, just the way I like them, and the way women like them as well. Okay, this is very, very interesting. These are white, off-white-ish, and I like that they feel very, these are stretchy specifically, and then I like that they feel very, lightweight enough, something to wear when it's hot. Then they sent me some interesting shirts. They kind of feel like cotton. The only thing I'm worried about, come to think of it, is this collar. I'll tell you guys how it holds up, but hopefully it will hold up properly. They also sent me just a jungle green one. Jungle green, yeah, this is the jungle or dark green, I'm not sure. Same design, same thing. They also sent me this as well in gray, the same shirt in gray. Pretty solid shirt, quality, well, very, very interesting. Very excited about this one. This is a knitted polo. I'm sure you guys have seen this around. I've seen someone like Eli Mwenda, I think, and a few other people rocking this. I usually feel like bold colors are tricky for me to rock, but well, see, tutajaribu tuone vile inatupeleka. Interesting. I'm a size large in case you guys are wondering. So if at all you guys will order, if you're a size large, for the previous shirts that I showed you, order an extra large because they run a bit smaller, and the pants as well. So if you're a large, order an extra large. If you're a small, order for a medium. If you're a medium, order a large, if that makes sense. There's one more shirt like this. This is very in character for me. Mandarin collar, nini. Same brand, so I'm guessing it will fit just right. Now, very interesting stuff. They sent me t-shirts as well. I told you these guys sell everything, at least these days. This is a very interestingly colored t-shirt. I also like the finishing of the sleeves. Let me show you guys. It's very different and very ruggedish. So this is something, of course, you'll just wear for casual settings. There's that in brown. There's a purple one as well. There's purple. There's one in, is this pinkish? Pinkish, I guess. Ladies, tell us, is this pink? I think this is pink. So is there anything? Yes, there's one more knitted polo. in brown. Very, very, very bold, very interesting. I'll show you guys how to style these so that when you buy them from Edge Clothing, you let me know how they fit and how you feel in them. Up next, we have a lot of ties. They sent me so many ties. These are knit ties. True to character, Edge Clothing character, they sent me a lot of socks. Yeah, lots and lots of happy socks. Very interestingly printed. Very interesting prints, very bold ones. I think the thing I like about Edge Clothing so far is they have something for everyone. If you're into the younger kind of stuff, you know, they have something for you, like these happy socks with tigers. But if you're older and you're, you know, more mature, they have plain ones like that. They have, you know, like this is a 2-pack and this is for 800 bob peke. And let me tell you guys, the quality is everything. I say that because this is not the first pair of socks, so these are not the first pairs of socks that I own from Edge Clothing. They also sent me boxers, and I feel like good boxers are so underrated, especially amongst guys. Good boxers are everything, and here's why I say they're everything. As a guy, how you feel on the inside will always reflect on the outside, so invest in really good boxers, guys. I just wanted to say thank you to you guys, because without you guys, there's no Wardrobe Chronicles. Without Wardrobe Chronicles, there's no collaboration with any brand, Edge Clothing, and many other brands that we hope to work with this year. Thank you so much. If you liked anything in the video today, be sure to drop an order. In the next video, I'm going to style some of these items, and then you guys will let me know what you think about the outfits that I will put up, and then we'll talk about it. Yeah, I'll show you the pricing of the full outfits and stuff like that, so that you guys can get outfit ideas as well as, you know, go and buy more and promote Edge Clothing, because they're also making Wardrobe Chronicles happen and this dream possible. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I'll be sure to see you in the next one. I'll see you when you see me.